Thank you, sir. Yan. Close lip, sir. Pagbabalik, sir. Down your head.
Ako ang pinaka-last na papasok. Tapos kasama ko na si Joy. Ayan si Joy. So, ako ang pinaka-last. Winner! Nandito kami ngayon sa Manila Hotel sa Centennial Hall. So let's see. Congratulations! I'm so happy. So, ayan, I'm just waiting for my turn. Nandun na sila. Nag-restart na siya. So let's see. Si President. Hi, Pres! Ano po? Si Pres. President TU. Doc G's here. And si Doc G, I love you. Thank you very much for all your sacrifices and guidance.
Director of TUPD Campus, Dr. Rexmel Becapio.
And upon the recommendation of the Academic Council and the presentation of Campus Academic Affairs Office that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for your courses, I hereby declare you graduates with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereunto. Congratulations.
Has illuminated the path of the Philippine higher education, leaving an enduring legacy of leadership, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence. The commencement speaker is courtesy
Act of appreciation to Honorable Dr. Marita Artanaki, Commission on Higher Education, in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable contribution as guest speaker during the 117th commencement exercises of the Technological University of the Philippines with the theme Tapping Unlimited Potentials, TUP for Unparalleled Breakthroughs. Her words have uplifted and encouraged our graduates as they embark on their future endeavors. Her contribution has greatly enriched this milestone occasion, and the university extends its deepest gratitude for her presence and inspiring message. Given this 29th of August 2024 at the Centennial Hall of the Manila Hotel, signed by the University President Dr. Reynaldo P. Ramos. Again, thank you.
Last but not the least, Dr. Teodoro F. Rivano Jr. with dissertation entitled Technology Management Framework of Technology-Enabled Learning and Teaching Ecosystem for Higher Education Institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, kapuin sa
One, two, three. Okay,
Industrial Technology ng 2 taon lamang po.
Thank you very much.
2 taon lang, tapos ang manunumpa sa akin ay
Ayan, may panunumpa na ngayon.
mga doktoral. Hulis ka ng kamay and repeat after me. Panata ng katapatan.
Panata ng katapatan.
Ako si
Teodoro F. Rebano Jr.
ay taus-pusong nanunumpa
ay taos-pusong nanunumpa
na mamuhay ayon sa mga bighiing itinakda
mamuhay ayon sa mga pinakda
ng edukasyon at pagsasanay.
ng edukasyon at pagsasanay.
Itataguyod ko ang mga tradisyon at pamantayan
Tataguyod ko ang mga edukasyon at pamantayan
ng Teknolohikal na Universidad ng Pilipinas. Patuloy akong mag-aaral tungo sa pag-unlad ng kalamang pang-teknolohiya. Itataguyod ko ang mga mithiing kailangan
Tataguyod ko ang mga
sa paglilingkod sa Diyos,
paglilingkod sa Diyos,
sa bayan,
sa bayan,
at sa sangkatauhan.
at sa sangkatauhan.
Higit sa lahat, nangangako ako at tatalima
Higit sa lahat, ako at tatalima
sa mga karapatan at tungkulin inaatang sa akin bilang nagtapos sa Technological na Universidad ng Pilipinas.
bilang nagtapos sa Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Ito ang taimtimbong pangako.
Ito ang taimtim kong pangako.
Kaya tulungan mo ako ng Diyos. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon. Congratulations,
I like to thank all the chairpersons, vice chairpersons, and members of the different working committees of this event for all their valuable contributions and efforts making this momentous event very, very successful.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the PUP.
Officially closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, the exit of colors.
Thank you. Thank you.
To all of you, batch 2024 graduates.
We're now here at Century Park, Manila. Let's go. Let's find our food, ha? Let's go, let's go. Ayan, we're now happy. So, na lang ako. Kuha lang ako ng tubig. Nakakapagod. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Sa aking kaartihan. Yun lang. Sa aking graduation. Maraming salamat.